Can you talk a little bit more about building an audience who sees you as an authority? That's where a
Yeah.
lot of people struggle at. Can you give some tips on how to do that?
Yeah. Look, this is one of my favorite topics. And one of the things that most people get wrong on social media when they want to sell the services is that they start selling their stuff all the time. Buy from me, book a call with me, free session, free strategy. And people don't want to buy into stuff that they don't know. You need to go through you need to help people go through the know, like, and trust factor because they feel confident enough to buy from you. So when you build an audience online, what you really need to do, it is to stop selling. You need to stop sharing your journey, sharing who you are in the world, sharing your life, why you do what you do, because this is going to build an emotional connection with your audience. And this is why I call it ethical, because you're persuading your audience not to do things that are not going to serve them, but to create an emotional connection with you. And that doesn't mean that everyone's gonna love you. That means that people that like you because they resonate with your mission, with your message, with your journey, they're gonna connect with you. And this is going to be your audience. You really want to build an audience online that they become your raving fans. And my tips for that is when it works the same in every single social media platform, because what we use is the 6 principles of influence. And there's a book that's called The 6 Principles of Influence from Robert Cialdini that explains what they are. So you basically use the 6 principles to get your message come across. So it is helping people understand who you are, why you do what you do, the results that you get to your clients, and why and how you're doing the right thing. So the system that I use, it doesn't work if you are unable to get results for yourself or get results for your clients. I mean, I help my clients get results for the clients because it's all part of all the program. But the thing is that some people, the only thing they care about is making money and getting their results on their own. This never works, because if you're not doing that because you want to do a good for your clients and a good for the world or for the general public, it doesn't work.